Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by matching equipment. Confirm the hitch class and that the trailer tongue weight is within the car's rated capacity. Next, park on firm, level ground, set the handbrake, and chock trailer wheels so nothing rolls. Move the tow vehicle slowly to align the ball under the coupler. Use the trailer jack to lower the coupler until it's about 1/2 to 1 inch above the ball. Once positioned, you're ready to lower and secure the coupling. You lower the coupler fully onto the ball, engage the latch, and insert the safety pin or approved lock so the latch cannot pop open. Then attach the safety chains in a crisscross under the tongue to catch the trailer if separation occurs. Leave enough slack to turn but not drag. Next, connect the electrical plug and test tail lights, indicators, and brake lights. If equipped, verify trailer brakes activate. Once all are secure and operational, you finish with a complete walk-around. Confirm the coupler lock, chain routing, electrical connector seating, load tie-downs, and correct tire pressures. Adjust mirrors for extended view and conduct a slow test drive with turns, stops, and lane changes to feel for sway or unusual noise. If something goes wrong, lights or brakes not working, stop, reseat the electrical plug, inspect pins and fuses in the vehicle, and check the trailer ground. A loose connector is the most common fault to fix first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.